Seems like this is update number 400 already, although I know it's not. But we got the body off. It's hanging in the air right now. Added a bunch of bracing inside, whatnot. Got the doors to line up with all the bracing. And I don't know if you can see or not how bad this thing is underneath, but it's pretty bad. That's where there's supposed to be a dog leg. It's just all gone in there. Looking at the bottom of the door in there. She's pretty crusty. I think the rear floor is pretty okay except for where they cut out that section. Like that gas tank install. That's what you call a floater. And some of the crud on the ground. Did a few sweep ups in between. But this is the other frame. And it is incredibly bright out right now. So I don't know if you'll see any of this. But it's all rotted through there. Ended up cutting the whole rear section off to get the bumper off. It was easier. Nothing left back here. Still got a bit of a flex pipe, tailpipe going on here. Still hanging on. Not quite doing its job anymore. But that's that. And we got the Gabriel Red Rider shocks. I wonder if they did that on purpose. Did they make that label like that so it would be level with the ground when it was in the car? Kind of doubt it, but it's kind of funny that it works out that way. So, that's the latest update. Now I gotta try and fit the frame.